Hello everyone, I'm Amy. Today I want to introduce you a new hot end product, a brass Mk8 nozzle that you are very interested in. It is compatible with industry CR10 hot end. Well, today we are going to take a look at this product that might be the one for you. As you can see, a heated aluminum block with the bright surface without any scratch and high cost performance. Yes, and once precise CNC finish machine brass nozzle is a standard brass 0.4 mm nozzle. And the quality, like the durability for instance, is gonna be as good because customers tend to have some inconsistencies throughout the materials, whereas a CNC machine component is essentially one solid block of a type of aluminum alloy that is cut down to a specific shape, and usually results in much better tolerance in the threaded areas and everything feels better. When under the microscope, the nozzle, it can be clearly see that the inner hole has no overview spur, the wire spinning is smoother, and the wire tapping is accurate to 0.40 mm. Its maximum temperature can reach 300 degrees. It can be used to print PLA, ABS, TPU, PA, and other materials. Now let's see the specific date. Measured value of inner hole size 0.3963 mm. Measured concentricities 0.0135. The minimum roughness of inner hole can reach only 0.2. After watching this new product, I think you can't wait to get it. And now we have installed the nozzle on our CR10 hot end. As you can see, it's very cool and fitting very much and high quality. Yes, we also use PLA materials to printing a bindundun. As you can see, the surface is very smooth and very nice. Well, I'm looking forward to you sharing the printing products with me after you buy them. That's it for today. I will see you very soon on the next one. Thank you.